Hello there. Today we are working in Mod 7 still in Lesson 2, but today we're going to do some application problems. So we're going to take those rational numbers and we are going to apply them, which is pretty normal to do because if we're ever talking about money, you're always going to have decimals and there's your rational number. So let's see what we've got in store here. So some of these are going to just be practicing with nice numbers, and some of them are going to be with rational numbers. All right, at Sam's dog sitting, he charges an annual fee of $40 plus $100 per week. Now, Lily's service charges an annual fee of $100 and $80 per week. After how many weeks do the companies charge the same? All right, so that means if you're going to have to take your dog and because you're going on vacation and you go to Sam's, they're going to charge you $40 for the whole year of 2022. Whereas Lily's cruise, they're going to charge you $100. And then if you do it in, let's say, February, then you pay them the $40 and then $100 per week. And if you come back because you're going on vacation in June, then you don't have to pay the $40. You would just pay the $100 per week. Okay, and then if you went on someplace in July and you needed someone to walk the dog, then they're just going to charge $100 per week. So you don't have to pay that $40 annual fee every time you go. You just pay it once for the calendar year. All right, so we've got Sam's. All right, Sam's crew is $40, and then they actually say plus, so $100, and remember when it's per week, that's when we put an X. So in this particular problem, X is going to stand for the number of weeks that you need dog sitting services. All right, so that's Sam. Now Lily, let's see, they charge $100 annual fee, but then they only charge $80 per week. After how many weeks do the companies charge the same? When are they equal? Okay, I like to get my letters together first. So I am going to subtract 80x from both sides. So we've got 40 plus, and we've got 100 minus 80 is going to be 20x. And then we still have 100 over here, and 80 minus 80, this is going to cancel out. All right, so we're still trying to get x by itself. So I am going to subtract 40 from both sides. So 20x equals 60. And then we're going to divide both sides by 20. So x equals 3. So they are going to cost the same at 3 weeks. Okay, so you wouldn't save any money if you went to Lily. You wouldn't save any money if you went to Sam. At 3 weeks, it's going to cost exactly the same. So if you know you're going to need the services for 5 weeks out of the year, now who's going to be better? If you're going to do 5, so that means we're going to put a 5 in here for Sam, and you're going to do a 5 in here for Lily. And let's just see what the cost is. So 5 times 100, it'll be 500 plus the 40. So Sam would be $540. Okay, over here for Lily, it's going to be 100 plus, and 80 times 5 is going to be 400. And 100 plus 400 is 500. So if you were going to be gone 5 weeks, Lily is going to be $40 less. So anything over 3 weeks, Lily will cost less. So over 3 weeks, Lily is less. Okay, if it's 1 or 2 weeks, then Sam will be less. All right, let's see what the next problem brings us. All right, so Steve wants to join either Fitbit or Lax Gym. Fitbit charges an initial fee of $150 and a monthly fee of $25. All right, so let's see. We've got Fitbit and Fitbit costs $150 just to join, and then a monthly fee of $25 per month. So X is going to stand for months. All right, so Lax Gym does not have an initial fee, and they just charge $35 a month. After how many months will they cost the same? So when are they equal? I'm going to get my letters together. So 25x minus 25x. So 150 equals, this cancels out. So 35 minus 25 is 10x. We're going to divide both sides by 10, and we get 15 equals x. So after 15 months, they will cost the same. 15 months will cost the same. All right, so if you're like my mom and dad and you're a winter bird and you just go to Florida for 3 months, you go for January, February, and March, which gym are you going to go to? Are you going to join Fitbit or are you going to join Lax if you're only going for 3 months? Well, Fitbit would be $150 plus the $25 a month times 3. So it'd be the $150 fee for joining plus $75. So it's going to cost you to go to the gym $225 for January, February, and March. Okay, whereas Lax Gym is going to be $35 times 3. So what is 35 times 3? Is $105. So if you're only going to be somewhere and it's only going to be like 3 months, it would be $105. Now, if they keep going back year after year after year, maybe they have something worked out that you wouldn't have to pay a fee every time. But 15 months, they're the same. If not, if it's under 15 months, Lax Gym would be the better place to go. If you plan on being there for a couple years, then Fitbit is going to end up being your better deal. All right, Sandy is upgrading her internet service. Fast internet charges $60 for installation and then $50.45 per month. Quick internet has an installation fee, has free installation, so no fee. I missed that R, but charges $57.95 a month. Write an equation that can be used to find the number of months at which the internet service would cost the same. So basically wants to know, when are they going to be equal? So we have fast internet service and the other one is quick internet service. All right, the fast one is $60 for installation plus $50.45 per month. So X is going to stand for months in this problem. I want to know when it will be equal to Quick, and Quick is charging $57.95 per month. All right, so we got to get our variables together here. So I am going to move the smaller one. So I'm going to move $50.45, $50.45 to the other side. So I have 60 equals, and when I subtract $50.45, I end up with $7.50. All right, so now to get the $7.50 away from the X, we are going to divide both sides by $7.50. So grab your calculator and take 60 and divide by $7.50, and 8 equals X. So what that means is after 8 months, whoops, we need an N there. After 8 months, the services cost the same. All right. Hopefully these word problems will help you with today's homework. So good luck on your homework.